In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Instagram tag. So I'll show the step-by-step process of doing it. If you want to learn, keep watching the video till the end. First of all, you have to go your Instagram profile. From here, if you click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, then you will get the option post you have tagged. So for checking this, you have to click on this icon. So here you will see the one post have tagged you, so you have to open it. After that, if you feel that you want to remove this Instagram tag, so what you have to do, if you click on the image, you will see that you have tagged in this way. So after clicking the image, when this your username came, you have to click on it. Then you will see remove me from post option will come. From here you have to click on remove me from post, then it will remove from your profile. Okay, after search, now I'm saying the no post yes, so tagged, there is no post tagged in your profile now. So if I again go to this option and refresh, I will see there is no post where you have tagged. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.